Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Clerk and DynamoDB no-code setups, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Clerk and DynamoDB using no-code setups, start by accessing your Clerk dashboard. Create a new application within Clerk. Configure the application settings, selecting the appropriate authentication methods. Next, generate API keys for your Clerk application. Once the API keys are ready, navigate to your no-code platform, such as Airtable or Bubble. In your no-code platform, locate the API integration settings. Input your Clerk API keys into the designated fields. Now, head to the DynamoDB console to set up your database. Create a new table in DynamoDB, specifying the primary key. Make sure your table is configured to allow sufficient read and write capacity based on expected usage. Once your table is created, go back to your no-code platform. Establish a connection to your DynamoDB instance. Use the API connection settings to link your no-code app with DynamoDB. Next, create a form in your no-code platform for user sign-up. Ensure the form fields correspond to the required fields in Clerk, like email and password. Add an action to your sign-up form to trigger the Clerk API for user creation. For sign-in functionality, create another form in your no-code platform. Link the sign-in form to the Clerk API as well, allowing for user authentication. After successful authentication, set up a workflow to redirect users to a welcome page or dashboard. On the server side, create functions to handle requests to DynamoDB, like storing user data. Now, integrate these functions into your no-code platform to manage user data after authentication. Test your setup thoroughly to ensure that sign-ups and sign-ins function correctly. Verify that user data is being stored in DynamoDB as intended. Finally, ensure that all API keys are kept secure and not exposed in your front-end code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.